Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn, as you know, it's our past part with future simple tense part 1. Okay, it's the first part. So this video is created by me. So to hope you all learn. Okay, to hope you all make you learn by watching our tenses video. By this, you can get your knowledge, and also you can be inspired by watching our videos. Okay, then this you will be fluent in speaking and writing also in tenses. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started. Before starting, I want to tell you that is, as you did our previous tenses, we will do the same thing with future simple tense. And I think that is, you will support me as you did the previous tenses. By this, I can get more opportunities to make video. Okay, so before starting, we have to know the introduction of future simple. So here, the first interaction before starting the video I want to share with you, that is future simple means that is something will happen. Okay, something will happen. Okay, something happens. Something happens after now. Something happens after now. Okay, it can be 500 years from now. Okay, it can be 5 minutes later from now. Okay, it can be anything, but it will only indicate the future. Then it will be the what? Future simple tense. Okay, so we have understood or not? Yes, we have already understood. Okay, so we can start our video. So as we know that is future tense is generally used. Future simple is generally used with the will. Okay, sometimes it is used with the shall, but shall is not formal. Okay, it's a not formal way. So in this era, people generally use will. Okay, so that's why we won't follow the shall. We will follow will. Okay. So here, first of all, no more talking, let's get started our video's journey. So on the board, look at the board here, we can see that is, I have divided into the two parts, okay? One is informal and another one is formal, okay? To make you all understand the future simple tense. So first of all, we can start from here, formal. Okay, so before starting, I want to tell you, words mean formal. Okay, formal means that is something polite. Okay, you were telling something very polite. Okay, it indicates that is you are a well-mannered person. Okay, you are a good person. Okay, which indicates this. So during the formal expression, sometimes formal is used. Okay, on the time we have to use the will during future simple tense. Okay, so if we want to say with the formal way, then we have to use the will. Okay, but what does it mean? What does it mean, the formal? Which situation we have to use it? Yes, this is a way I want to share with you. That is, you can use that is because formal means that is formal is used with will. Okay, we can apply it. Formal is basically used that is in the offices, okay, in the respective places. Okay, it can be used in the academics. Okay, or sometimes it is also used by conversations. For example, that is, you don't know anyone. Okay, and also sometimes it's used the respective person. So on that time, we use the will during the formal. Okay, so we have already understand the formal. For an example, we can see, I will meet Lucia Rogers tomorrow. I will meet Lucia Rogers tomorrow. It indicates it happens after now, which indicates that it will happen in the future. Okay, not now, not present, not past. Past won't be, present won't be. It will happen what? After now. The work will happen after now. okay, which indicates what? On that time, which time it will happen? Tomorrow. Okay, that's why we have used the will, then we have to use the base form of the verb. I will meet Lucia Rogers tomorrow. Okay, so we have already understood the formal. So and next it's it's a basic way. Formally, it's a basic way, but now we will discuss about informal. We will explore about this, but it's a little bit of advanced level, but no problem, we will try to understand it. So here there are three parts to understand it. Okay, three parts. First of all, that is going to, present continuous, and will. Informal, there are two sections, okay, and two sections by counting two sections, we can get three parts. Okay, for example, that is two sections are plant and plant. Okay, and then we can get from here, from plant we can get going to. It's kind of like of a phrase. I will explore to you. Going to is kind of like a phrase, and during the present continuous it can be also used in the future simple. And the next is unplanned, we can also use will. But some question is yes, so sometimes you can make a question, okay, something is blowing your mind. In the formal we can use the will, and in the informal, in the unplanned, during the informal we have to use will. How it happened? Okay, just wait, don't be panicked, I will answer you step by step. Okay, so before understanding, we have to understand first. From here, we can start from here. Plant. Okay, plant means that is something is plant. Okay, something is plant. That is you have plant something, you will do it. Okay, so which indicates the future. So the task happens after now. Okay, according to your plan. Okay, so have you understood? For example, that is going to. Going to, it's kind of like a phrase. Okay, for example, that is I'm going to make a video. So it isn't yet, so which indicates that it indicates that is after now. Okay, it's kind of like a near future. Okay, so in this situation we can use going to. It's a phrase. Okay, and also I want to share with you that is going to, and also that is present continuous. We can also use the present continuous kind of like a future simple tense. For example, like this, you can say that is present continuous always indicates that is something is continuing right now. So how can we transform it during the future simple? Because which indicates after now. After now, something will happen after now. So how can you transform it? Yes, there's a way. So by using the present continuous tense, what do you need to do? We can say like this. For example, that is, we can say, for example, I am meeting you tomorrow. I am meeting you tomorrow. How? I am meeting you tomorrow. So here, the last word we can get tomorrow. So so it hasn't done yet. It will happen in the future. Okay, but your plan is still working. Your plan is still working. You are still planning about this. That is, I am meeting you tomorrow. So which also indicates the plan. And also besides, we can get the word of tomorrow, which reflects the future. Okay, so on that time, going to and present continuous, it's kind of like a what? Future. For example, that is going to and present continuous, it's kind of like a future. Okay, so only going to, we can make some example here. I am going to meet you tomorrow. I am going to do the tasks. I am going to talk to you. I am going to make the videos. Okay, and also the during the present continuous, you have to add the tomorrow. You have to add the tomorrow, and also you have to add this kind of word tomorrow. Okay, because tomorrow is generally used during present continuous. Without tomorrow, we can transform it into future simple tense. For example, that is, I am meeting you tomorrow. I am doing this task tomorrow, which it reflects that is going to and present continuous reflects our task hasn't done yet. It will happen later. Okay, so we have already understand our plant. We have already understand our plant in informal. Now you will understand that is the next section is unplanned in informal. So in this unplanned, in this section, we can get one part here, that is will. Okay, why will? So let me give you an explanation. Let me give you an example. By this you can understand. So we generally use it will, that is during the unplanned. Okay, so for example, that is today your boss asks to you, will you meet Mr. Johnson tomorrow? So you have directly told him, yes, I will meet him tomorrow. So here you don't plan anything after listening his question. You have answered it directly. Okay, so which indicates what? Unplanned. So on that time we can use will. Okay, something is unplanned, you haven't planned any yet. So someone is asked you, but you directly want to do it later. Okay, so which reflects the unplanned. Okay, so we have already understood these, that is going to and present continuous. So we have already understood the going to, and also we have understood the present continuous, which is a plan. Something is planned. On that time we can use the going to and present continuous. Okay, with present continuous we have to add the tomorrow. And also in this unplanned, we have to, what do you need to do? So someone is asked you, so you have replied them directly. Okay, so you have to tell something directly at the speaking. So which reflects also unplanned. Okay, and unplanned also reflects that is you tell something directly without planning. Okay, which is also called unplanned. Okay, so it's another section of informal. Okay, so let's see an example, then you can understand. So here we can see, okay, I will meet Simon tomorrow, which indicates that is you have directly told it, and now you will meet Simon tomorrow. So which happened after now. Okay, which indicates the word of tomorrow. Okay, we have understood or not? We have already understood these these two kinds of expressions, that is formal and informal. And in this expression there are some rules. Okay, so now we have already got our answers by watching these rules. Okay, no problem. So here it's just like a introduction of future simple tense, and it's just like an overview of future simple tense. So by this you can understand by this. So that's it, our today's video is finished. So if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, and see you in the next video, everyone. And that's it, and bye bye, everyone. And if I want to also tell you that there's also rule of going to, which we will learn later. It's just like an introduction of this. Okay, but we will practice will. Okay, so will is generally used in conversations. Okay, so that's it. So see you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.